Good morning, student. আজি মই এটা নতুন টপিক লৈ আহিছো সেশন 5th the calls in area. calls in area. If any shareholder fail to pay the amount due on allotment, otherwise call, this money is known as calls in area. যদি কোনো shareholder তেওঁ allotmentot বা ফার্স্ট বা ফাইনাল কন্টত বিচৰা পইচা যদি কেনেবাকে দিবলে ফেল কৰে বা ডিফল্ট হয় তেনেহলে সেই এমাউন্টটো calls in area বিল এডজাস্টমেন্ট বা কৰা হৈছে। So here the accounting treatment, the calls in area to with or without opening, with or without with means calls in area account to open koriyo ami adjust koribo paro, otherwise calls in area to ami open nokorako tak accounting treatment ami dekhabo paro which is automatically adjusted. So এই topic to clear korbo kan ইয়াৰ পৰা আমি এটা question কৰিম। A Limited issue 2000 equity shares at the rate of rupees 10 each. The money was payable as follows. On application rupees 3 per share. On allotment rupees 3 per share. On first call 2 per share, and on final call 2 per share. Issue was fully subscribed. All money were received except a holder of holding 50 shares who fail to pay the first call money, give journal entry. So this is the questions. A Limited issue 2000 equity shares of rupees 10 each, which was payable on application 3, allotment 3, first call 2, final call 2. Issue was fully subscribed and all money received except a holder of holding 50 shares who failed to pay first call money, give journal entries. So now the first entry is bank account debit to equity share application account, So number of shares, again number of share is 2000, rate of application is 3, so 2000 into 3, 6,000. Now being application money received. Now second entry, equity share application account debit, 6,000 to equity share capital account, 6,000. Being application money transferred to share capital account. So the first is complete. First application money is received, bank account debit to equity share application account. Then second, equity share application to equity share capital, being application money transferred. Now third entry is for allotment money due. Equity share allotment account debit to equity share capital. Again rate is same, 3 rupees, so 6,000. Being allotment money due. Now fourth entry. Fourth entry, receipt of allotment money. Bank account debit to equity share allotment. Being allotment money received. এইখিনি আমি লাস্ট fourth বা third session to আমি এইখিনি এন্ট্রি কৰিছো so allotment money first due equity share allotment account debit to equity share capital 6,000, that is 3 into 2,000, 6,000. Then allotment money is received, bank account debit to equity share allotment account 6,000. Now first call money due. Number fifth, equity share first call. Account debit to equity share capital account. Rate is 2 into 2,000, 4,000. Being first call money due on 2,000 share at the rate of 2 per share. Now here a holder of 50 share who have failed to pay first call money. So jiman kini due hoisile iman kini ta receive nohon because ejon holder e 50 ta share first call paisa nai dia. So etu ami sam with opening or without opening the calls in area account. So number 6 entry, bank account debit to equity share first call account. So যেহেতু ডিউ হইছিল আমার 4,000 2,000 into 2 4,000 আমার ফার্স্ট কলত ডিউ হইছে লেস 50 শেয়ার 2 টাকাকে এজন হোল্ডারে নিদিলে 100 টাকা সো রিসিভ হবো 3,000 900. So ইয়াত আমি bank account debit to equity share first call, ইয়াত আমি amount লিখিম 3900. This is without opening calls in area. Without opening calls in area account. Otherwise, যদি আমি calls in area account to open করো, then instead of this আমি next entry এনেকে লিখিব পাৰিম bank account debit 1950 share 2 টকাকে 3900 রিসিভ কৰিলে calls in area debit 150 share 2 টকাকে নাই দিয়া 50 share into 2 equity share first call account 2 equity share first call account 4000. So here when calls in area account is not open, the amount of calls in area is automatically adjusted, that is deducted from total amount due. So ami jiman khini due hoisile tapa minus kori dilu, otherwise jitu amount minus korise etu calls in area debit kori pela ami dokhuwa lagib. So this is the accounting adjustment for calls in area. The next topic is forfeiture of shares. Next topic is forfeiture of shares. So first, what is forfeiture of shares? When any members, any shareholders fail to pay allotment money, you call money, then in these situations generally কি করা হয়, যদি কোনোবা shareholder allotment বা first বা final call পয়সা যদি দিবলৈ সক্ষম নহয় বা নিদিয়ে কিবা ৰিজনত, তেনেহলে generally company কি কৰে, তেওঁলোকক এখন notice provide কৰে আৰু এই amount to within 14 days payment কৰিবলৈ কয়. যদি এই 14 days period যদি payment কৰিব নোৱাৰে, তেনে by the board of directors এই shares খিনি এই মানুহজনৰ নামৰ পৰা cancellation কৰা হয়. So the cancellation of shares by the board of director due to non payment of call money is known as forfeiture of shares. So what is the accounting treatment? Number first, forfeiture of shares when shares are issued at par. Number first, forfeiture of shares when shares issue at par. When shares are issued, when shares are issue at par. Forfeiture of shares when shares are issued at par. For share capital account debit, share capital account debit Here our number of forfeited shares multiply into called up. 2 calls in area, 2 calls in area, number of forfeited shares into unpaid. 2 share forfeiture account, 2 shares forfeited account. Number of forfeited shares into paid. So here is the entry: forfeiture of share when share are issued at par. Prothom share capital account debit. Number of forfeited shares into called up. Kiman kini share forfeit kora hol aru সেই share kini kiman paisa bisora hoisile. 2 calls in area. Out of this say 200 share 200 share 10 taka ke call korisile 2000 200 share 3 taka ke dibo noarile, that is calls in area 600. remaining যদি 10 টাকা বিছৰা যদি 3 টাকা দিব নোৱাৰিলে তেনে দিলে কিমান 7 rupees. তো 200 into 7, that is 1400. Narration about being forfeiture of 200 share. Being forfeiture of 200 shares for non-payment of first call of rupees, first call say allotment by second call of 3 per share. Being forfeiture of 200 share for non-payment of first call money, otherwise allotment money or final call money. So this is the accounting treatment for forfeiture of share when share are issued at par. Next আমি এই টপিকটো পর এটা কোয়েশ্চন লইলো। A company forfeit 200 shares of 10 each issue at 10 per share, issue at 10 per share, payable as rupees 2 on application, rupees 2 on application, or rupees 3 on allotment, 4 on first call, and rupee 1 on final call. pass journal entry for pass journal entries for forfeiture if only application money has been received. If only application money has been received. So this is the question. A company forfeited 200 share of 10 each, issue at rupees 10 per share. এটা কোম্পানি 200 শেয়ার ফরফিচার কৰিছে যাৰ ৰেট আছিল 10 টকা আৰু ইস্যু কৰিছিল 10 টকাতে, that means issue at par, which was payable on application 2, on allotment 3, on first call 4 and rupee 1 on final call. Pass journal entry for forfeiture if only application money has been received. That means application rate আছিল 3 টকা 2 টকা, allotment 3, first call 4 and final call rupee 1. Out of this only application money has been received, and these three amount, allotment 3, first call 4 and final call rupee 1, is not paid by the shareholder. Not been paid by the shareholder. So a to me the forfeit koribo lage. So first you write share capital account debit, share capital account debit, number of forfeited share into called up, number of forfeited share into called up. 200 share forfeit কৰিছে, 200 share 10 টকাকে call করা হয়েছে, that means rupees 2000. 2 calls in area, তো ইয়াৰ কোনগিটা এৰিয়াৰ হৈ আছে, allotment, first call, final call, গোটেই গিটা একেলগে দেখুৱাব পাৰি বা ভাগ ভাগকে মেনশন কৰি দিব পাৰি কোন গিটা বস্তু calls in area হৈ আছে. তো allotment আইডিয়া 3 টকাকে, to share allotment account, 200 share allotment rate হল 3 টকা, তো allotment পা 600 টকা নেপালে, to first call account, first call of 200 share of 4 rupees ke 800 napale, and to final call, and final call account of 200 share of etoka ke napale 200. So total unpaid, total called up is 2000. Out of this 2000, 600, 800, 200 1600 টকা নেপাল, তাহলে পালে কিমান, only 400. আর যেটো amount receive কৰিলে ট্রান্সফার টু share forfeiture account, to share forfeiture account, the 200 share only 3 rupees ke receive কৰিছে, this is 600. Being forfeiture of 200 shares for non-payment of allotment 3, first call 4 and final call rupee 1 per share. So being forfeiture of 200 share for non-payment of allotment, first call and final call money. So these are the accounting treatment when share are forfeited and when share are issued at par. The next topic, Forfeiture of share when shares are issued at premium. Issue at premium. Forfeiture of share when share are issued at premium. ইয়াত দুটা পার্ট আছে. When premium money has been received, when premium money has been received, when premium money has been received. So next, every topic of a question now, mommy. So X Limited forfeited. X Limited forfeited 1,000 shares of 10 each. 1,000 shares of 10 each. Issue at premium of rupees 5 per share. Issue at premium of rupees 5 per share, payable with allotment money, payable with allotment money, for non-payment of first call money 2 per share and final call of rupees 3 per share. For non-payment of first call money at a rate of 2 per share and final call money of 3 per share and final call money of rupees 3 per share, give journal entry. So in this question, here X Limited forfeited 100 shares of 10 each, but issue at a premium of 5 per share. But this premium is payable along with allotment. So here application, allotment, first call and final call. So premium is included in allotment, and allotment and application is already paid. And this share is forfeited due to non-payment of first call and final call money. So this is a topic when premium money has been already received. So in this situation, premium amount to tomar journal entry কোনো ধৰণৰ affect নকৰে, because premium is included in allotment and application and allotment money is already received. So what is the journal entry? First, again, share capital, account debit, number of forfeited share, that is 1,000 share into called up 10, that is 10,000. I mean 10 rupees a called up ke kene kom paise, that is first and final call e gote je amount plus kori 10 hoy, আর যদি ফার্স্ট এন্ড ফাইনাল কল দিয়া নাই তার মানে অ্যাপ্লিকেশন অফ ফাইনাল কল লকে কল করা হয়েছিল, আউট অফ দিস টু আর ফেল টু পে. So share capital account debit, number of forfeited share into called up, 2 calls in area, so here 2 first call and final call, 2 first call account, first call of 2 টাকা কে নাই দিয়া, final call of 3 টাকা. First call of 1,000 into 2, 2,000. Next 2 final call, 1,000 into 3, 3,000. So out of 10,000, 2,000 and 3,000 are not paid. 10,000 বিচৰা হৈছিল, তাৰে 5,000 টকা দিয়া নাই, বাকি রিমেইনিং যে 5,000 টকা রিসিভ কৰিলে ট্রান্সফার টু শেয়ার ফরফিচার অ্যাকাউন্ট. to share forfeited account 5,000. Narration is being the forfeiture of 1,000 shares at the rate of 10 each for non-payment of first call 2 and final call 3 per shares. So there is a topic when premium money when premium money has been already received. So in next session, I am going to topic when premium money has been not received. Aji ami korilu when premium money has been already received. So thank you student. So next session ami eta notun topic loi ahim. Thank you.